Guys, and welcome back. I have with me the new Peugeot 508 station wagon plug-in hybrid 2020 model, and I want to review it for you. Today I will make the test drive and I want to give you my impression on how the car is feeling on the road and how it's all those suspension handlings, and also I try to show you the visibility and all that stuff. So let's drive it and then we will talk at the end. All right guys, so here is the car. I have the key with me, also keyless entrance, as you see it in the other review. By the way guys, if you didn't see the review with the new 508 station wagon plug-in hybrid, check it out on my channel. You will love it. I mean, I show you the interior, exterior, I speak about every single detail inside the car. I show you the materials, quality, the price as well. Also, as a fast information for you guys, this car have a 1.6 liter petrol engine in combination with the electric engines, and together, for example, together the electric engine and the petrol engine, they will have 225 horsepower. Only the petrol engine have 181 horsepower, but together 225. Something to keep in mind. Also the price, you have it right here if you're interested. And yeah, by the way, check out my other video if you want to see all that information about the price and stuff. I have a full review about the car, so subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it yet, and check it out on the other video, all the information about the new 508 plug-in hybrid. So now all you have to do is just press the brake, press the start stop engine button, and the car will start. Yeah, you have an amazing armrest here, amazing center console. Here you have the driving mode. You can change driving mode. You can go to electric, or you can go to the hybrid mode or the sport mode. In sport mode, the car will use the both petrol and electric engine to give you the maximum power, 225 horsepower. If you go in hybrid mode, the car will sometimes change to hybrid electric petrol, electric, or together to give you the best consumption. And then if you go in electric, you can drive till 53 kilometer only in electric mode. Maximum speed in electric mode 135. But for now, also the car come with an reverse camera. Of course, you already know it, you can guess that. An amazing reversing camera, and the shifter, it's gorgeous. I mean, it's so easy to use. I know you have 8 gear shifter, 8 speeds right here. Also the car come with a new application from Peugeot for electric cars, so you can see this graphic wherever the car take the energy from the petrol engine or take the energy from the electric motor, or it's regenerating the battery, the energy. So I will leave it like this. The battery, it's kind of empty. We have only one or two there, it say 2, just not so much battery, you know. It say like 6 kilometer range, so we will see. And right now the car, it's driving in both, so you can see the both are working right now. It's kind of only the petrol engine, it's rolling. And when I will hit the brake, you will see right now it will regenerate. So with green, when you see green, that means the car regenerates some energy. I take some bumps and the suspension are pretty good, really impressive. Also, this is the new e-cockpit. It's amazing. You have a great visibility right there in the front. The steering wheel, it's super soft. I love the steering wheel. I love the way it feels. Yeah, right now let's go in hybrid mode. Right now we're driving in the hybrid mode, and in hybrid mode the both engine are working. You can see there the electric engine, it's working, and also the petrol engine. It's quite nice feeling being inside the car here. Also, let's start the climatic system for a while, because it starts to be pretty hot inside here. Also, of course, you can customize wherever you want. Maybe it's better without it. Right now it's regenerate the energy in battery. I think you can see that. But guys, oh, I have to tell you, you can also customize the screen there the way you want it. You can put, for example, the navigation. You can see the dials if you want to see the dials, just like that. And if we go in sport mode, for example, let's try the acceleration. The engine kicks in. Oh, 225 horsepower. Great, amazing power. Right now the energy, the battery is regenerate, all the energy come back in the battery right now, so it's quite cool. And also you can see it right there on the screen. But right now let's go in the hybrid mode, driving more relaxed. The noise outside, it's awesome. The car have fantastic insulation, so you don't even hear the cars outside or the noise from outside. So that's something that I like it. I like also the steering wheel. It's super responsive and super nice, easy to use. Also the suspension, I find out, I will test it a little bit more. We go in the front and we will test it. The other thing that I noticed is the gear shifter. It's pretty awesome. You can change the gears super easy. Now also you can choose to have, for example, the navigation or the energy right there on the cockpit. Depend on how you like to see it. You can change it and you can have it right there. Let's go to navigation, for example, right now, and it will show you in the middle. When you set a destination, you will see the navigation right there on the screen. But for now, because it is a hybrid car, I want to show you the dials. I think for most of you are much more interesting to see those dials right there. So let's stick with the dials. And it's kind of punchy, the car. Every time you press the acceleration, the car, it is super punchy, and you immediately feel that power. It doesn't matter in which mode you are. Here are a few bumps, and I want to take it right here, for example. Oh yes, super nice. The suspension are really good. I like them. I like the way it feels. I don't know which type of suspension they add on the car, but they are very good. Also the turn radius, I want to try it right now. The turn radius, oh my god, look at this. It's phenomenal. For such a big car, you have such a great turn radius, guys. Oh, phenomenal. I love it, really love it. And also the handlings and the way it stays on the roads, it's gorgeous. It's a premium car. This is a premium car, just keep in mind. And it's also have an amazing price for a premium car. I love it. I love the car. Really amazing. Really great. It is a great car. They did a great job with the car, I think, in my opinion. They did an amazing job. You can see the line there, it's charging the battery. It's on the green right now. You can change also the distance between you and the car in front. Also you can set the speed here. You have this cruise control, guys. So it's quite cool. Quite cool. Also the lane assist, the car comes with the lane assist. Right now you can set it, for example, to 80 kilometer. I set it up and the car will keep the distance between you and car in front and will drive only at this speed. And also I find out that right now in this moment the car is using the lane assist, so you can see it's green there and the car is keeping the lane. And right now you will see that the car will probably brake when the car in front will brake. So let's see now. Yes, it's regenerate. And then oh, I have to take control now. Yeah, the lane assist, it is good, but maybe not always the perfect. They still have to probably work on the lane assist. But yeah, they still make a good job, and on the highway it's pretty good. I tested the big one, the big brother, the 3008, the lane assist on 3008, and it was working perfectly. So I think on this model it should work also perfectly. Not sure. Let's see. Let's try it out. Right now it should work. And you can see right now it's moving the steering wheel and it's keeping the road. I like that. It's doing a great job. And here, yeah, so you can see it. See a little bit the lanes. Tell me to put a hand on the steering wheels. But yeah, it's doing a great job. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Right now. And here, let's see. Oh yes, look at this. Yes, as I told you before, he know that the car is braking and then it's accelerate automatic. So all this was made by the car. Then you take control, you put the foot on the brake a little bit, or you take the steering wheel and you take the control again. So quite impressive. Great job. And I like how punchy it is when you start from 0 or from 10 or from 5 kilometer and you press the acceleration, you immediately feel the power, and also very silent, and the suspension are very good. Very soft, you know, the driving experience in this car, it's super soft, super smooth. Everything is smooth and soft, and it feels nice quality. That's the conclusion that I am coming up after this review, is that the car is very smooth. It's doing a great job, and here it's very smooth, and I like that very much. I think it's doing a great job. So it's super smooth. Right now we will park this car and then we will talk a little bit about the car, about the experience with the car. And yes, I like the steering wheel, I like the turning radius. I think it's one of the best I have ever managed. Alright guys, so that was the test drive with the new 508 station wagon plug-in hybrid GT. I hope GT line, sorry, not GT line, because it's different. I hope you enjoyed the test drive. In my opinion, it is a great car with a great price, by the way. Talking about the price, I want to give you the information right now. The price it's 55,000 francs, around 50, I think 52,000 euro with the discount. Because if you come at Auto Galliker, guys, here in Switzerland, you can have a great discount, 4,200 francs discount. So this is an amazing price for the car, for this car, for the quality. You see, you have a glass roof as well, amazing quality. The seats are awesome. Peugeot makes some fantastic seats. Also, I love the way it feels at driving. What I find out after I drive is that the suspension are awesome. The noise inside the cabin, it's great. The steering wheel, it's fantastic, easy to drive, easy to turn this huge car, easy to park because you have a reverse camera, amazing reverse camera. The quality materials, the dashboard, the new technology, the new e-cockpit multimedia system and all that, great, amazing center console here with the gear shifter. It's easy to use, and the driving mode, and it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous to drive this car. Also great visibility in the mirrors. So yeah, if you ask me, I like it. I think it's in the top 3 cars, in my opinion, top 3 the best cars in this class. And yeah, if I have to buy an estate car, a station wagon or a tourer, this will be on my list for sure. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the review, the test drive review with the 508 plug-in hybrid. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of those kind of videos. I have more on my channel. Check out the full review with this 508. I have it already on my channel. You can see the interior, exterior, you can see every single detail and price and stuff like that. I show you there in more detail. So check it out. Please subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot for me. That will help me to make much more quality videos and much nicer videos. So yeah, that would be awesome. And like it, share it, and I hope it was helpful. If you have question, ask me. I will answer to all of your feedbacks. I wait all of your feedbacks. And yeah, thank you again, and I guess see you soon in the next one. Bye guys.